market. We have Ashish Kyal joining us for exactly that. Ashish, thanks a lot for joining us. Last week, of course, we did see a little bit of a cut come through for our own markets, a little bit of a pullback after that big rally that we've seen. And once again, we are seeing a bit of, muted trade today. So how would you look at it? And do you expect that we will continue to correct in the days and weeks to come? And do you expect a meaningful pullback as well?
Hi, afternoon to you and all the viewers. If you look at Nifty, there has been some pressure around 21,800. Price have failed to sustain there. There were multiple attempts around 21,800 to 21,750. So that has been the hurdle zone. And on the downside, I think 21,500 is a very important support. So in a nutshell, after a very good run up that we saw in the previous weeks, we are now stuck in a range, in a very broad range of 200 points right now. And I think we will be continuing to trade in a range for a day or two more, before which we can again start resuming the upside. So I think we might have some pressure on the downside in today's session. Maybe price can retest 21,520 levels, but then again we can bounce back towards that 21,750, and if that is broken, then we might resume the trend towards the 22k level. So I think this is a good healthy sideways correction that we are seeing after a good run up, and the resumption should happen after 2 or 3 days.
Okay, all right. So healthy correction is what this is. Ashish, in a market like this, any particular trading bets that you have?
The first bet is going to be on Sobha. We can clearly see the real estate space is buzzing. We got a very strong move on the entire sector. Even today, after when the broader markets are correcting, this sector is outperforming. And Sobha Realty has shown a very sharp move on the upside. And even now, there is no loss of momentum. So the overall tone remains bullish for this stock. One can expect a target of around 1420 and maintain a stop loss of 1280 on the downside. And the next stock on the buy side is Ember Enterprises. We can also see the stock is showing good enough volumes in today's session. Good volumes have picked up so far, which is equivalent to past 2 days of volume already, and is giving a very strong breakout on the upside and crossing that hurdle of 3350. So the overall tone for Ember Enterprise remains bullish. Now one can maintain a stop loss of 3250 and expecting a trend beyond 3600 levels.
Okay, got that. Ashish, thanks a lot for joining us with that quick check.